Hi viewers, welcome back to Indian Recipes by Hasina. Today our new recipe is the high protein millets, lentils, legumes, dosa with podina chutney. I made this recipe for 20 by 4 intermittent fasting people who are love to eat one meal a day, that is lunch. In this 4 hours period we want to give high proteins to our body, so that's why I make this every day different types of high protein recipes. So today I will share my recipe secrets with you. So without wasting much time, let's get into the recipe details. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్కమింగ్ రెసిపీస్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి అండ్ పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. Before starting how to make this recipe, I want to tell you some secrets of these beans and legumes and about these millets. Millets are rich in minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and selenium, as well as essential vitamins like folate and vitamins B6, C, E, and K. Many of the most powerful health benefits of millets has to offer are related to its fiber. Urad beans has containing high quantities of fiber, magnesium and potassium, which are extremely beneficial for our heart health. It keeps our cardiovascular system healthy by maintaining the cholesterol levels and prevent other health issues. And green mung beans contains zero cholesterol amount per 100 grams, 347 calories, sodium 15 grams, potassium 35%, total carbohydrates 21%, dietary fiber 16 grams, sugar 7 grams, protein 24 grams. It contains vitamin A 2%, vitamin D 0%, and vitamin C 8%, B6 vitamin B6 20% and calcium 13%, iron 37%, magnesium 47%. Percentage of daily values are based on a 2000 calories diet. Your daily values may be higher or lower depending on your calorie needs. Now, adzuki means small red beans. It contains 100 grams of adzuki, 329 calories, 0 cholesterol, 5 mg of sodium, potassium 35%, total carbohydrates 63 grams, dietary fiber 13 grams, protein 20 grams. Curd health benefits: improves digestion, helps in weight reduction, improves bone strength. Healthy heart enhances immunity, makes skin healthy and effective hair care, ensures brain health, stimulate appetite. Parboiled rice contains carbohydrates 8.3 grams, fiber 0.6 grams, saturated fat 0.3 grams, calories 39. Let's start how to make this recipe. First I'm going to taking 1 cup of koralu, it means millets. Add 1 cup of millets and wash it with plain water. After cleaning millets, I'm going to add 1 cup of urad beans and half teaspoon of methi, fenugreek. Fenugreek helps to acidic problems. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of parboiled rice or dumped biyam, which is called in South Indian language it is called dampudu biyam. And next I'm going to add green moong beans and small red beans 1 cup and wash it with plain water thoroughly. After cleaning all these beans and rice, I will put it aside for overnight to soak them well. Now I'm going to add these overnight soaked millets and mung beans to a mixer jar to make a fine paste. After making a fine paste, I'm going to transfer this batter into a bowl. Look the consistency of the batter. It is in a very smooth and fine paste. Don't add too much water because our dosa will not come easily and it breaks removing from pan. Now I'm going to add salt as per taste and some cooking soda, half teaspoon and 2 tablespoons of curd, and mix it well without lumps. After making this batter, I'm going to put aside for 10 minutes. In this 10 minutes, I'm going to make pudina chutney. Take a pan and heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of gingerly oil. Add chopped ginger, chopped onions, red chilies, dry red chilies. Fry them well. Add a handful of pudina leaves or mint leaves. Add tamarind.
I am making this chutney for tiffin purpose only. The real pudina chutney is different from this chutney.
Add chopped tomatoes.
In my next upcoming recipe, I will show you how to make pudina chutney.
Don't over fry them until it leaves some water. To make a paste, take mixer grinder and add cooled ingredients in a mixer jar to make a fine paste or to make a chutney. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or taste as per salt. After making this pudina chutney, I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. After this, I'm going to give a small tadka to my pudina chutney. Take same pan which we already fried this chutney ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of gingerly oil, half tablespoon of chickpeas, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some garlic cloves and dry red chilies, and fry them well. Don't overburn it. Add curry leaves. Leave this tadka for some time to cool down, and after that add
This
this
tadka gives our
tadka to
chutney
our
beautiful
pudina chutney.
aroma.
Now we are going to make dosas. Our batter is ready to make dosas. So heat the pan and take 2 full cups of dosa batter and pour on the heated pan and spread it well. Follow the instructions shown in this video. Add some melted ghee on top of the dosa. Ghee is very good for health and it is a good fat.
In my 4 hours eating window, I will also add 1 tablespoon of ghee for a good fat.
This high protein dosa makes your day happy and it fills your stomach full, satisfies well, and it makes you hunger free. Turn the dosa other side to cook well. Our dosa is cooked well and it is ready to serve. Do the same procedure to all your dosas. Now I'm going to adding this high protein dosa to my serving plates. I'm going to enjoying my lunch with this healthy high protein dosa with my pudina chutney.
You can also make this dosa in as a morning breakfast.
Normal dosa can cause your stomach acidity problems, so I'm avoiding that normal dosa because it contains fermentation. Because of that, we are going to face some acidic problems. So I'm making this dosa for my 20 by 4 intermittent fasting. I do not eat like this every day. My meals are changes every day and I will share my recipes with you. For more healthy upcoming recipes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and follow my FB page. Thank you for watching my video.